Dear students, in today's video we are going to continue chapter number 13, construction of quadrilateral. Exercise is same 13.1. I am taking question number 7. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD with AB equals to 4.5 centimeters, BC equals to 4 centimeters, CD equals to 5 centimeters, angle B equals to 60 degree and angle C is equal to 135 degree. You can see that B and C are having angles. Okay, so they will be kept at the base. First we have to draw the rough sketch. Angle B 60 degree is an acute angle. So acute angle is slightly elevated. B 60 degrees and C is 135. 135 is bent outside. That is obtuse angle. This is 135 degrees. BC. The length of BC is given 4 centimeters. We will keep here 4 centimeters. Here it will be A. Now AB length is given 4.5 centimeters. And AB is done. BC is done. CD length is 5 centimeters. And just you have to join AD here. This is the rough sketch. Now let us construct 60 degree and 135 degree at the base BC 4 centimeters. For that we have to mark 4 centimeters first. This is 4 centimeters line. BC. The length of line segment BC is 4 centimeter. At B we will construct 60 degrees. That is very easy. I have told it you. Open the compass of convenient arc as you wish and keeping it at B. Take a half arc. Now without disturbing the compass, from this 0 degree, mark here 60 degrees. This arc shows 60 degrees. So let us draw the ray like this. This is 60 degrees. Right here 60 degree. Now at angle C we have to draw 135 degree. 135 you can draw using this formula. 90 plus 45 gives you 135 degree. Now this is 0 degree, this is 180 degree. Okay, so first let us show 90 degrees. Once you draw this sun arc, you don't have to disturb it. Now this is from 0 to 60 degrees and from 60 to 120. The bisector of 60 and 120 gives you 90. As you don't have to draw 90 degrees, mark 90 degree here, and from here the bisector of this 90 and 0 will give you 45 degrees. Okay, this is 0 degree from this side. Take an arc here, and from 90 take an arc. So this intersection is the bisector of 0 and 90. So it will give you an angle 45 degrees. Okay, so this is 0, this is 90. Okay, 90 degree plus 45 is 135 degrees. What we have did, we have first constructed 90 degrees here, and then the bisector of left over 90 degree part. Okay, from here to here it is 90 degree, and from this side this is 0 and this is 90 degree, and we have bisected 90 degree to draw 45 degree angle on this side, so that 90 degree plus 45 gives you 135. You can using your protractor measure this. Is 135 degree. Mention here 135 degree. Now AB is 4.5. From B cut this 4.5, and CD is 5 centimeters. From C cut 5 centimeters here. This is D point, this is A point. Right here 4.5 centimeters, and right here 5 centimeters. Now join AD. This is the required quadrilateral ABCD. Students, this quadrilateral is of type side, angle, side, angle, side. And don't forget to write the steps. Thank you.